What is up, guys? Today we are going to be doing a room tour. Yes, correctamundo. Okay, so first we're going to show you guys our bed. This is my sister's bed, and then her artwork on the wall. I made most of those anyways, and that's, yeah. And then this is my bed with my artwork. I have a lot of stuff on my walls. It goes very far up. And I have all that. I made that Kobe Bryant sign whenever he died. Okay.
R.I.P.
Yes. That's all stuff. Yeah. Okay, this is all my desk stuff. I mean, dresser. Okay, so those are the basketball players up there. And then I have hairspray, of course. A bath bomb, walkie-talkies, the princess right there. Okay, my sister's shark piggy bank photo.
Wouldn't really call it a piggy bank.
Whatever that is. Sorry, I don't know my superheroes and villains. Okay, whatever it is. That's a messed up clock. I think it's messed up. I don't know. That's my sister's lamp.
Those are hyenas from a certain show.
That's a picture. And okay, let's get on with it. I have this all over the windowsill. I have lots of pictures of my family and I. And then I have my bobblehead collection. It's very small, but I like it. So, okay, I'm going to show you guys the front of a closet. We have all of that. And then this is my sister's side. With all that. And then those are more shoes that she can't fit in there. I'm just going to show you guys my side of the closet because my sister's is way too messy. So here's my puppet, my fidget cube. I have squishies right there. Okay, they're kind of hidden so my cousins don't steal them. And I have that poppy pillow from whenever I was 7. And then that poppy bank whenever I was 7. So let's just not talk about that. And I have my 2 lock boxes with important stuff in them. And then I have my microphone right here. And yeah, that's, oh, let me show them this part. And then this is my toy part, pretty much. Toys, I have my scrunchie box, hats, earbuds, wherever they are, earbuds. And then I have this, and then artwork, and then 2 journals. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, hope you guys subscribe, like and subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye!